Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am here to show you how to fix the error, Windows Online Troubleshooting Service is disabled. To fix this error, click on the Start menu. Type gpedit. After appearing the Group Policy Editor, click on it. After opening the Group Policy Editor, under the Computer Configuration section, double-click on the Administrative Templates, System, Troubleshooting, and Diagnostics. Scripted Diagnostics. Now on the right side, double-click on Troubleshooting. Allow user to access online troubleshooting content on Microsoft servers from the Troubleshooting control panel. Select Enable. Click on the Apply and OK. After doing this, when you run any of the troubleshooting methods, the error will not be displayed anymore. If you are using Windows Home version, you need to fix it by Registry Editor. To fix it by Registry Editor, click on the Start menu. Type regedit. After appearing the Registry Editor, click on it. Click on Yes. Now copy and paste this address into the address bar. Press Enter. Now on the right side, double-click on the State key. Make sure this value is 23C00, if not, set the value 23C00. Click on OK. If it did not solve your issue, click on the Start menu. Type CMD. After appearing the command prompt, right-click on it, click on the Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. After opening the command prompt, type the command, sfc/scan now. Press Enter. Please wait until finishing this process. After finishing this processes, type another command, DISM/online/cleanup image/Restorehealth. Press Enter. Please wait until finishing this process. After finishing this processes, restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.